This biker was riding through town when he suddenly spotted a driver he'd had a heated exchange with months ago. So he pulled over to finally clear the air.
I didn't pull out in front of you back there, did I?
No. But about a year ago, you stepped out on the road at me, didn't you?
That is you.
That's me. I appreciate that, because every time I drove by, I've been pissed off. So.
I know, I apologize for
Thank
that.
you.
Bad day for me, and I apologize.
Thank you.